headed off to do some blue crabbing.
Oh yeah.
So we're out here today at one of our spots trying to get some blue crab. We're gonna check a few traps, keep an eye out, maybe catch a couple with the net. Here's a trap. See some crab in there. One trap, guys. One trap. Looks like some babies, some keepers.
We'll let a bunch of them go.
Let the females go.
The red's a female on the claws. Female.
All right, we're gonna go check out the next trap. So we're gonna head over to this trap over here in the mud. Anything in there, babe? There we go. Got him.
Alright. Gonna use chicken today. You can use any kind of bait, really. Anything that stinks and that will hold up for a little while. Longer the better. Fish carcasses and pig's feet work really well.
We're gonna go across the pond over there now. Start making our journey that way. Mangroves are the only trees that can turn salt water into fresh water. It's pretty awesome. Just look at them. Out here in the Keys, we're just full of the mangroves. What do we got? Yes! He said we got some nice ones. Oh, there's one right there. See him? Right, headed right for you. Yes, got him. Good job, babe. And that's how it's done. All the jellies. Oh, there's so many of them. Take a walk through the creek.
Okay. In case I see something, I want you to be closer to the camera. Good shot.
Walking through this little creek here. What was that? There are alligators that live in the ocean. And I can't see anything. Where is he have me going?
Oh my god, come here, I'm not joking. Oh my god, it's huge. Come on, let me see that camera. This is like, there's a huge jewfish and a foot of water right here. Hold this net. Right there, you don't see that thing with spikes? It's got spikes on it.
You think he got stuck out here when it's so tired or something?
His eyes look open, so I can't tell if this grouper's alive or dead.
Like laying on the mangrove. See that?
Yeah, he
like
is.
Sideways.
They get stuck in here.
I think
Poor thing. And this grouper got stuck in here. I'm gonna try to drag him out. Here you go.
It must be fresh too. It must have just happened.
I thought maybe that's that noise we heard. Here, I'm gonna poke him and we're gonna find out whether he's dead or not, but he might be playing possum.
You think?
I have no idea, but it's gonna be crazy. Oh, it's definitely alive. Oh, shit. That was crazy. Holy smokes. Little babe, was he alive or was he dead? Because I'm gonna say he was alive.
We are headed back in. I think we got plenty. Might catch one or two on the way back. If it was flat calm out here, it'd be so nice. As you can see, it's super windy. But the flat calm days are what the boat's for, so today we're out here. Would help if I could see my hair blowing in my face. Alright, so we made it back. We're headed to go cook some crab, show you guys how it's done. Here we are. We're home. Can't wait to get these shoes off. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna clean the crab.
Clean the crab.
We're on step 2 here.
Alright, here we go. See if this one goes good. Big Daddy here. Big Daddy. Don't want to get bit by him.
No way.
Alright, see if he pulls off here. Spray him out. Grabbies.
Awesome, babe.
Perfect little amount of crab here.
Alright, time to go cook them.
Yes.
First thing you're gonna need to do is get out a nice giant pot. I just want to steam the crab in a little bit of Bud Light.
Yeah, that's a big can.
Alright.
Throw some Old Bay in there.
When it starts steaming, and then you can put the crab in. Old Bay is one of the tricks. You can always sprinkle extra too once they're done.
Throw them in there.
So that's Old Bay seasoning. And Bud Light.
Steaming, throwing the crab. Put a little more Old Bay on some meat. Start steaming real good again. 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Oh, look how red they are now.
Mouth is watering.
Oh, hi, buddy.
This is what we come outside to, smelling our food on the grill.
Big old reindeer. You're a big old reindeer, aren't you? Hi, buddy.
You don't have any food, I'm out of here.
Here, watch me.